The Prophet said there are two blessings which many people lose, they are health and free time for doing good. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from worry and grief, from incapacity and laziness, from cowardice and miserliness, from being heavily in debt, and from being overpowered by other men. When a man says I cannot, he has made a suggestion to himself. He has weakened his power of accomplishing that which otherwise would have been accomplished. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect. And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. And that there is not for man except that good for which he strives. So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it. Do good deeds properly, sincerely, and moderately, and know that your deeds will not make you enter paradise, and that the most beloved deed to Allah is the most regular and constant, even if it were little. Religion is very easy, and whoever overburdens himself in his religion will not be able to continue in that way. O you who have believed, persevere, and endure, and remain stationed, and fear Allah that you may be successful. The heart was only created for the remembrance of Allah. A person who truly fears his Lord does not care about others and does not put himself in a position where his religion is at risk. When you don't understand what's happening in your life, just close your eyes and take a deep breath and say, Ya Allah, I know this is your plan, just help me through it. When things are too hard to handle, retreat and count your blessings instead. Over 151,000 people die in this world every day. I thank Allah for still giving me some more time to fix my Acura. Don't be like those who forgot God, so God caused them to forget their own souls. When we repair our relationship with Allah, He repairs everything else for us. No matter what your physical appearance, when you have kindness in your heart, you're the most beautiful person in the world. So what if this life isn't perfect? It's not Jannah. Born from different mothers' skins of all colors come together as brothers. That's the beauty of Islam. The worst of our faults is our interest in other people's faults. The overly jealous seek to harm and hurt others, but in the end, only harm themselves. Trust Allah when things don't work out the way you wanted. Allah has something better planned for you. When Allah pushes you to the edge, trust Him fully, because only two things can happen. Either He will catch you or He will make you learn how to fly.